Stop laughing, it's not funny.
Sorry.
I have to be serious.
Hello.
Shut up! You're not allowed to be my vlog. Hi guys, today we're vlogging.
You're big out your ends.
No one's gonna know this area. I live in West London. What the heck? Who even goes to West London? Not
Hello.
me.
Hello. Hello.
Shut up! Stop it! I'm actually not putting you in this video. It's really cold. I kind of regret.
Today.
No. No, I've got so much homework. We're going to the light show in Canary Wharf.
It's
Yeah.
£20.
£20?
Really
Yes, it's £20. No, it's free and it's the last day. So that's why we're going. Don't mind the lighting, don't mind. Pardon me, alhamdulillah. It's really cold, like it's actually freezing. So we're just, yeah, there's nothing else to vlog.
The next clip you'll see us on the bus.
No, you won't see us on the bus. I'm not vlogging at the bus. You see us on the train.
Wait for Mama. Peace out.
Mother, peace out. We're on the train now. The lighting is actually terrible. Okay, so we're going on the DLR now. This is literally so embarrassing. It's like people have never seen any famous YouTubers before. Like,
We have 1 million subscribers.
yeah, no. I'm surprised they've never heard of us.
The DLR's there.
Yeah,
Canary
I know.
Wharf.
Oh, whoops.
It's upstairs.
Boy, it's upstairs. Where are you guys going?
Canary Wharf.
You said the DLR is this way. DLR.
I like the DLR. You see everything.
The DLR in it, because it's open in it, and
It's
DLR
nice and clean.
I think. Yeah.
I don't remember.
I
last
hate
time
this
I was
white thing. Oh, this white thing is just ruining it. What? I'm vlogging. Oh wow. I haven't been on the DLR in a very long time. I'm so tired and I have a headache.
It's going in 3 minutes. Or it's coming in 3 minutes.
What can you not wait to watch? What are you excited for?
The lights. That's what we're there for though.
Yes, but there's multiple. Which one?
I don't know, Mario. We've never been.
Okay. Well, I've seen pictures in it.
Yeah, I've seen pictures as well. And I like all of
Oh, look how pretty the view is. It's not as pretty as me, but I mean, I can't
can't
switch it. Oh, that's sad.
Yonder.
I'm scared. Okay, so we're in Canary Wharf now. After a long while, after a long time, we're here.
I'm so confused.
Me too. I'm confused. I'm not involved.
We're just.
What is here?
It's water.
Is this the light show?
Wait,
though?
but it says something. Wait, it says something. Mario, it's saying words.
Wow, I want to show them. I can't though.
Okay, flip the camera. No one cares about us. No, Mario.
Wait,
flip the
I'm.
camera. Turn it off. Es igualito al Rubén.
There's two there. There's two more.
I think we. Wait, you hold it. We're gonna take turns, right? Because I can't be holding it. Make sure my phone doesn't drop inside the water.
Okay.
Wait, take a video.
Oh my gosh.
No, not like that. Welcome to my vlog channel.
We're actually so bad at this.
Wow, so beautiful.
want to get wet.
I want to go inside. I'm really cold. It's very cold here.
Hold this. Put in your pocket.
Yeah, I'll put it in your pocket. That makes sense. Oh, it's really video. Like, oh my god, let me post for you guys. Oh, that's cool. So I know, like.
Oh, I'm sorry. What? Okay.
Okay. You stay away from the water, yeah? 'Cause, like, my phone's not trying to get dropped in. Wow, it is so packed. It's a bit crazy. I don't think I'm gonna get any good pictures of this weather. Like, I'm quite sad. Oh, that's fun. It's beautiful. Say hi, Maida. Hi. Wow. How do you feel about this?
I feel scared.
Dang, yes.
Doctor Who, please come and save us.
Oh my god, Doctor Who.
I didn't actually find
Alright. OMG, it's Michael Jackson. This is probably by far. Okay, I can't say my favorite because I haven't seen everything. Yeah? What number is this? Look how beautiful. Oh my god. Overestimated the weather. It's pouring right now. I can't even see it. I usually can't see the camera.
We're going back to the park. I think
So
something
cold. Oh hi. We're on the train back.
this might be our last vlog.
I mean, yeah, this might be the last segment.
The reason clip, it's not a segment, it's a clip.
Okay, whatever. This is the last clip.
You look at shambles
Okay,
right now.
right. It was really heavy rain, so we decided.
Thunder. We live in the
Stretch.
countryside.
But my hands are so cold. Okay, we're saying our experience. Okay, rate out of 10.
It was alright.
I feel like the weather ruined it.
Yeah. But Mariam got nice pictures because I'm a photographer.
Yeah, might have got nice pictures too, I can't lie. Wait, is she gonna post them? No. Okay, do it. You're supposed to. It's freestyling.
Now go.
I see white cars everywhere. Red signs there. Red curtains.
Yes, this is good. Carry on.
Good.
A blue sign saying that's one way. Go on.
Hey, broke it down. Go on.
A school sign saying.
Do it this way because all of the footage is we're on the bus. We're on our way. Nice. We're on the bus. There's so much traffic.